Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Wina Aulia Salsabila with name 202401000021 from class SD 24C from Universitas Nusa Putra. This time I have a presentation assignment from an English lesson about implementation of character education in elementary schools. First, there is the abstract. Education is one of the main keys to building and shaping the quality of character of citizens' country. The aim of this research is that researchers want to identify what good characters there are shown by elementary school students and describe the implementation of character education in elementary schools research method, namely by collecting, analysis, and synthesis the topics discussed in a relevant manner. Next, there is the introduction. Character education is human activity in which there is education, action aimed at students. Character education, according to Sweeney, focuses on how to apply good values in everyday behavior through habituation. Formation is a role. Forming student character through an activity or habit, a continuous method carried out by teachers towards students in implementing character education. Of course, there are problems faced by both the teacher and the student themselves. The problem is influenced by several factors, namely the factors of the teacher himself, who is not creative enough. Next is the factor of the students, which is influenced by the environment and problems within students themselves. Next, there is the methodology. This studies a literature study method by collecting relevant data and information related to the implementation of character education in elementary schools. This literature study method is carried out by reviewing various written sources such as books, scientific journals, articles, reports, and other documents related to the topic being studied. Next, there is definition. A. Character education. 1. Definition of education. Ki Hajar Dewantara believes that education is an effort to advance the morals, minds, and bodies of children. Then, according to Umar Hamalik, education is process in order to influence students to be able to adapt as well as possible to the environment. Meanwhile, according to Harahom, education is a continuous process that occurs from the form of human adjustment that has developed mentally and physically to increase higher. 2. Definition character. Salahuddin and Al-Krinchichi state that character is a distinctive characteristic of person or group of people which contains values, abilities, morals, capacity, and resilience in facing difficulties and challenges. Then, according to Kurniawan, argues that a person's character is formed from the habits he does, but attitude and words that he often does to others. Furthermore, according to Maxwell, character is a cause that can determine whether or not someone is successful. Character is also related to a person's learning process and the ability to face the process determine the level of success. Meanwhile, according to Ryan and Bohlin, character is a pattern of behavior so that a good character will understand goodness, enjoy goodness, and do something good too. 3. Definition character education. Samani and Haryanto argue in their book The Character Education is the process of giving demand to students to become whole human beings with good character in heart, mind, body, and feelings and will. Then, according to Salahuddin and Al-Krinchichi, argue that character education can be behave well in everyday life. Furthermore, there is an opinion from Thomas Licona who states that character education is an effort that is deliberately meant to help someone to that he can understand, pay attention to, and carry out core ethical values. Meanwhile, according to John W. Santrock, character education is education that is carried out with a direct approach to students to instill moral values and provide lessons to students about moral knowledge in an effort to prevent prohibit behavior. Next, there is the purpose. B. The purpose of character education. 1. Educate students to become individuals with noble morals. 2. Form attitudes that can lead us to a more advanced direction without having to conflict with application norms. There is the value. C. The value of character education. 1. Religious values. 2. Care for environment. 3. Be responsible. 4. Be honest. 5. Tolerance. Next, C. Implementation and concept of character education in elementary school through habituation. 1. Teachers have attendance records. 2. Teachers can create situations. 3. Teachers can give students time to perform worship. Next, D. Strategies used by teachers in implementing character education. 1. Teacher become role models. 2. The teacher gives a warning to the student. 3. Teachers can provide routine activities for students. 4. Teachers can give additional marks or points when students do something good. 5. Teacher can apply the discovery learning method. Next, there is the factor of character education. A. Factors supporting for character education. 1. The school curriculum has been designed to include character values. 2. Complete facilities and infrastructure. 3. Extracurricular activities. 4. The role of teacher is very important in implementing character education. 5. Positive classroom dynamics support character learning. F. Factors inhibiting character education. Character education is very important to form a young generation with character and high integrity. However, until now there are still many obstacles that hinder the process of character education. Some factors that inhibiting character education are as follows. 1. Lack of parental role. 2. Formal education that focuses only on academic achievement. 3. Lack of quality human resources. 4. Problem with the curriculum. 5. Influence of social media. Last, conclusion. Character education is a process that aims to form individual ethical and moral values so that they can become individuals who have noble character and are useful for the surrounding environment. According to Thomas Licona, Character education forms individuals to understand and implement ethical values. The implementation of character education in schools involves the habitation of values, such as responsibility, honesty, caring for the environment, religious, and tolerance in daily activities. However, inhibiting factors such as lack of parental attention and focus on academic achievement can hinder this process. In addition, there are also efforts to overcome these inhibiting factors, namely by integrating character education into the curriculum, providing routine training to teachers, involving parents and the community. That's all, and thank you. Sorry for all the mistakes and errors. I hope it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.